Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am vlogging day 10 and 11. On day 10 we did a cooking class. So we went to the market and then we cooked all the dishes at the instructor's house. And then that also involved a coconut boat ride and crab fishing. And this is basically all the footage I got all day because obviously we were cooking, so I can't film. And yes, we did put the crabs back. We didn't eat them. Here's a cheeky watermelon juice. This is just the beginning of the watermelon juice obsession. We also went to pick up the clothes we got tailored on that day, and that was it. Anyway, now on to day 11. I woke up with a bite of some sort on my eyeball, which was very irritating. But on day 11, we had a bicycle tour planned. This was honestly one of the highlights of the entire trip. It was so much fun. We would ride for a bit and then we'd get off and then be shown something and then we'd ride and then get shown another thing. And then we also got to go in a coconut boat and try and paddle it ourselves. This is me in the coconut boat with the lovely lady who was showing me how to actually do it. And it was actually quite hard, but it was super fun and I'm very glad that I got to do it. After that, we got back on the bikes and rode around a bit more. And then we stopped off and had some snacks and I had a Coke. Then we had to ride over this bumpy bridge, which was definitely an experience. But I saw my favourite ferns ever, the ones that when you touch them, they move. These things are so nostalgic. I love them. They're so cute. Then we got to see how these mats were made. This was very cool and I really wanted to buy one, but I didn't end up buying one because I was worried that I wouldn't be allowed to bring it in. But I'm really regretting not even testing it. I don't know why I didn't test it. I'm sure I would have been able to get it in to Australia, but whatever. Anyway, we got back on the bikes and rode a little bit more, and then we stopped to have lunch, which was very, very delicious. And then finally it was time to go and we got back on the boat. Then I assume we had a rest when we got back and then we got some dinner, which looks divine. And then I got some ice cream to finish off the night. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you guys in my next vlog.